All right, little peaches. Since your parents have left me in charge as a babysitter, I thought I would tell you a bedtime story.
Wait a minute. I'm here too.
Yes, Diego, but only one of us has real experience as a parent.
Sid, you were never a parent.
Was two.
Those weren't even your kids. They were dinosaur eggs.
So?
Their real mother almost chomped you.
Anyways, once upon a time, while your parents were waiting for the special day for you to be born, actually your mother and I and your Uncle Diego here were waiting, your father was freaking out.
Yes, he was.
But he did have the idea to surprise Ellie with a great present in honor of your arrival.
And good thing, too, because he was making Ellie nervous. You should never make a mama mammoth nervous.
So he got me and your uncles Crash and Eddie to scout around and find the crystals he needed. But we'd have to do it all in secret.
Yeah, but first they had to wake you up. That was the hard part.
It's Sid. You think he's awake, Eddie? Awake means eyes open, Crash. Ah. Is that a sloth with 4 toes? 4 toes!
Ah, who? What? 4 toes?
Sid! Glad you're up. We need some help. We need you to distract Ellie so we can sneak out. This is a top secret mission.
Secret mission? Roger!
I'm Eddie. Shh, come on, mammals. We're sneaking here. This is the perfect moment to distract Ellie. Keep Ellie talking so we can sneak by. Go on, Sid. Go talk to her.
Hey, Sid. You're awake. Is it noon already?
That's a good one. Say, Ellie, does the sun feel any warmer to you? Huh?
Not really. Why?
Are you sure? 'Cause you gotta really let it soak in.
Sid, my eyes are stinging.
Good. That means it's working.
Psst, Sid, come on. For outstanding slothy service in the field of sneakiness, we salute you. Now to find a baby gift for Ellie.
What? Wait a minute. That's the secret mission?
Follow us and jump over that log. Slap that shrub and see what it's got! Hey, let's try over here. Sid, follow us!
Right behind you.
Ooh, look! A perfect gift! Sid, you gotta get that crystal!
Guys, I'm a sloth. We're not known for our physical prowess.
Yes, but you're a tree sloth.
Oh, then make way for the expert.
Sid, does it hurt?
Only when I breathe, or talk, or think. Ow! Ow, see?
It's a gift! In your baby's honor!
Oh, wow! It's beautiful!
You guys know what goes best with crystals?
Parmesan?
Nope. More crystals. I saw some through that passage. Cross over the tree and explore away.
Are you sure this tree is solid?
Walking on it's the best way to find out. Good luck!
Easy does it.
Try your hand at slamming! Or your belly! Over here, Sid! Shh!
Shush. Whoa!
Uh-oh! We've been spotted! Sid, you gotta defend us!
Me? How?
Pretend you're knocking down more bushes! Yeah, not angry rabbit beavers! Oh! We'll be right behind
Beaver,
you!
bad beaver.
Wow, Sid!
You are on fire!
Yeah, but right now, we gotta get past that boulder!
Oh, wait, let me guess. You want me to move it with that stick?
Sid!
You are on fire!
Okay, guys, I'm on my way.
A cobweb!
Come on, Sid, follow us. What we need is some fire.
Hello?
Bounce on the mushrooms to reach the fire!
Careful! Don't bounce off the mushrooms! You're almost there!
Let's smoke this slot.
Get back down here by sliding on that ice!
Fire, check! Cobweb, this way, follow us!
Echo! 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 I can do this. I'm almost sure of it.
Today's your lucky day, boys. Have I got an offer for you, and what an offer I got for you.
Not now, Tony. We are on a mission.
Sure, yeah, but you're gonna need supplies. I got your fruits, your gadgets, the whole shebang. I've never even seen half a shebang.
How do you even keep a whole shebang in this weather?
Talk fast, Tony.
Listen up and I'll tell you how you can buy items anywhere in the world. Welcome back to the hottest trade shack in town. I've got deals of a lifetime and bargains for right now. It's a steal of a deal. Keep looking. There's got to be something you can't live without. You got the basics down already, huh? Fast Tony likes a quick learner. Sid, let's go! Collect them berries and trade them for anything in the shop.
Sid, up there! The crystal!
Halt! Who goes there?
Nobody important?
Hey, speak for yourself! Oops!
Well, whoever you are, you'll have to get past us first.
Okay, Sid, you heard him! Watch out, mole hogs!
Here comes the spin
Done
stick!
yet. You think we're the only mole hogs around here?
You have defeated the last of the Mohogs. But now your destiny lies to the north. Past that boulder.
Take this stick and...
And?
use it to clear the big rock.
won't be able to take her eyes off that crystal.
Assuming her eyes are open.
Guys, let me get it.
You sure about that?
Oh, yeah. I got it. I got it. Help!
Should we do anything?
He'll be fine. Hey, home.
Wow, another crystal.
Hey, sis.
Bet you weren't expecting that.
Courtesy of Air Sloth.
Thanks, guys. You're really taking her mind off her swollen ankles. I heard there's another crystal by the edge of the cliff.
Wait up, guys. Going kind of fast there. Oh, yeah. Well, that is a long way down when you look at it.
Sid, we found another crystal, but it's stuck up on a ledge.
But that's no big deal, because it's being guarded by birds.
Nerds?
Birds, you nerd!
Time for some sloth action.
Let's go, Crash! Push on it!
Come on, Crystal!
If that even is your real name. We've been spotted!
Uh-oh! We'll look after the crystal!
And you look after those birds! Sid, come over here!
Have you ever seen such a perfect crystal?
You should feel good about yourself for getting it.
You know, I do feel good. I feel really...
Look out!
From your brothers with love.
You guys spoil me.
Yeah, almost makes up for all the other junk they do. Okay, it does.
Doesn't anybody want to spoil me?